All right, so I was scrapping these ceiling fan motors that came up on or whatever, and look at these. Look at the coils on that thing. It was a huge ceiling fan though. I already cut them right here, but I don't know if it just looks like more because it's so fat, or I think because that's a normal one, right? But this is how big the ceiling fan was. It was one of these big old honkers right here. So that's in my hand. I got a big hand too. But yeah, it was a big old one. So, that's my washer. But yeah, that's my shred or tin, whatever you want to call it. Number 1 wire. I actually want to weigh that. I want to weigh that to see how much it weighs, see if there's any difference. If it looks like more than that, because it's so, I think it's big. That's what she said. But yeah, we're gonna weigh right now. See what happens. Let me pull it out first. All right, so I guess this is gonna have to work here. It's kind of hot right now, bruv. You want all the smoke, bruv. I'm sweating. All right. Dang it. My take router at right here. There's Big Chunks. Used to be my stage name, Big Chunks. All right, so there it is. Let's actually weigh it. All right. What's that? 1 pound, 1 ounce? Jeez. 2 pounds? That's awesome. A whole pound out of 1 ceiling fan. All right, so this is how I've been doing it with these, whatever you call them. Just putting it in there, pushing. Takes a few snips. I usually use bolt cutters, but I don't have them right now. I got big ones, but they're just like, kind of awkward to use. So I think these will work for right now. But yeah. Speed this one up. And all that is like a sharpened, kind of like a oval shape flathead. Works perfect for this kind of stuff. All right, all clean. Yeah, I don't know, definitely doesn't look like the other one did, that's for sure. Alrighty. Alright, zero it out. Alright. Well, point it out there. Yeah, just as I thought. Another whole 8 ounces, right? Because that was a pound. Almost 8 ounces. 8.3 ounces. Dang, if I can get every ceiling fan to do that, to be that weight, I mean, it'd be awesome. Also, to my wife, she ordered me a wire stripper, a real one, like a, you know, electric wire stripper. So I'm gonna be I'm gonna pretend like I'm a real scrapper, but I'm gonna trim my beard a little bit. But yeah, so I'm waiting on all this number 1 wire to be number 2 copper. So we can get as much out of it as possible. But I'm getting stocked up. It's doing pretty good. People come in for pops only, and then they grab other stuff while they're here. But got My Hero Academia, Star Wars. That was a pretty cool one. Where's Carmen Sandiego? Troll stuff, Dune, some X-Men, Marvel. You know, basic host stuff. When these, I might keep these. Predator. Remember there were Saturdays growing up as a kid where I'd watch that movie all Saturday. Like at least 4 times. What was that SpongeBob meme? But yeah, so scrapping's fun, man. So it's like an untapped resource. People just throw things away not knowing that it's actually valuable, worth money. I love it. I just don't want everybody to do it, because then it'd leave less scrap for everybody. But I think this is it. I think it's going to be a short video, scrapping a ceiling fan. And yeah, well, let me show you my office. Check it out. Trying to get it real nautical up in here. Except for that, I don't know what to do with that. I don't know if that's an original, if that's a print, or if that's a actual drawing by that dude. Because the difference is $30 and $700. There goes a picture of my painting my daughter did. But yeah, slowly but surely ripping away at the shop. There's all the other scrap stuff. Got aluminum, got brass. More brass. I still need to go through all this crap. It's kind of overwhelming. This is swap meet stuff right here. That'll go real quick. Tools and oh yeah, I forgot about this wire. I gave you that wire. Someone gave it to me. Some snippers, but these are working good. And a little modified flathead. Didn't take no time at all. I still got some more motors too. Let's do it.